In this lesson, I'm going to talk about what Java really is and how does it work. So what is Java programming language? It was first developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems, which is now a part of Oracle Corporation. So Java is now owned by Oracle, and it's about 3 billion devices that, or a little over, in fact, 3 billion devices that use Java in one form or the other. It was primarily released in 1995 as part of Sun Microsystems' Java platform. The language has been developed, much of its syntax, from C and C++. So how does it really work? Java is the first substantial language which is neither truly interpreted nor compiled. Instead, it's a combination of the two forms. So this method has advantages which were not present in earlier languages. Some of the advantages of using Java programming language. Java is also one of the first languages to be library based. In other words, we can use the existing Java library and simply use the code that pre-exists. Java language has the ability to write special programs, and they're called applets, primarily designed to run on the World Wide Web. So if you're browsing a website, for example, there may be instances where several Java applets are running in the background. And the real benefit is that it frees up the programmer's time, since you don't have to write as much code. So Java is a clean language, yet powerful at the same time. In order to run or write code in Java language, there are certain prerequisites. We need to install certain software, such as the JRE, which is Java Runtime Environment, JDK, the Java Development Kit, and we can also use any third-party editors. One of the most commonly used and more robust is the Eclipse Mars. So we can use Eclipse, or you can use Atom, you can use Sublime, and there are so many of them out there that you can use to create and test your Java code. But essentially, the JRE, JDK, you need to have it installed on your computer before you can run Java. And what Java does is it also installs the JVM, which is the Java Virtual Machine, which emulates basically your own computer. So in the next lesson, I'm going to demonstrate how to go about, in fact, installing JRE, JDK, where to go and do it, what to look for, which versions to install, and how to download Eclipse, which is our main editor. And we'll use Eclipse throughout this course when we create Java programs. So just wanted to cover brief history of Java, how Java works, and certain prerequisites before we actually start using or creating code. So I hope this helps. Let's move to the next lesson.